Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we'll be looking at this longer word, hierarchical. Hierarchical. How many syllables does this word have? This word has 5 syllables. Hi, arc, cul. Hierarchical. The first 2 syllables sound like the word higher, as in, her office is higher up in the building than mine. The stress for this word goes in the middle syllable arc. So arc is a little bit louder than the rest of the syllables. Hierarchical. Hierarchical. Now let's move on to trying to guess the meaning of the word hierarchical from context. On your screen you have some sentences with the word in yellow in different forms. Try to figure out the meaning just based on how the word is being used in these sentences. You can pause the video now if you need more time. If something is hierarchical, it means that it has been arranged by rank. You can think of it like a pyramid, which is on your screen, where the top is rank 1, the middle is rank 2, and the bottom is rank 3. Okay. Let's take another look at those sentences, and this time we're going to focus on part of speech. So focusing on the yellow words again, I want you to see, is it being used as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb? Again, you can take the time now to pause and figure out the answers. As you can see on your screen, the noun form is hierarchy, and the adjective form is hierarchical. Of course, the adverb form is hierarchically, and we know this because of the ly ending, which is a good clue for you to use. Now that we've gone over the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of hierarchical, it's time for you to do some practice. You can start with the question on your screen. Do you think hierarchies are useful, and why? You can post your answers on our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word. Bye everyone!